Hello, this is a LEGO rubber band racer. It consists of three main materials, which include two rubber bands tied to each other, a zip tie, and a wide assortment of LEGO, which include the axle and the wheel. Like all rubber band racers, this car uses elastic potential energy, which converts into kinetic energy in order to move. Elastic potential energy is energy stored as a result of applying a force to deform an elastic object, in this case our rubber band. In order to set up this car, you first hook the rubber band to the back of the axle where there's a zip tie. Then you spin the axle until you get the rubber band nice and tight. Newton's third law states that for every action force there is an equal and opposite reaction force. This means that because I applied force to stretch this rubber band, the elastic force of the band is going to want to pull in the opposite direction. So let's see what happens when I release my hand from the back axle. As you can see, the transformation from potential to kinetic energy happens due to the rubber band spinning the back axle in order to return into its original shape. To that wall is around 6 meters, so let's see how far our racer can travel. Attempt 1. Almost 5 meters. I then repeated this experiment 9 more times so I could find the average distance over 10 attempts. So here we can see the distance traveled by the racer over the last 10 attempts, and the average from these attempts was 4.45 meters. One thing I noticed about this racer was that it was very inconsistent. For example, it is capable of reaching the 6 meter mark. However, in certain attempts, such as 6 and 8, the distance recorded was significantly lower compared to the others. This was due to the malfunction of the racer from the rubber band jamming up the axle, hence immobilizing the racer. In conclusion, I think this racer performed what it was supposed to do, and it got a very average result in my opinion. I do think there can be improvement with the racer, especially with the rubber band system, and I think that's about it.